morning. Happy new vlog week. Turn this down a little bit. Dropping the kids off at school, and it is one of those days that genuinely is so windy and mizzly. Like my hat was like bouncing on my walk back to the car. Patty's away to Belfast because he's test driving another electric option and then picking up his parents from, the bus station because they're back from Florida today and they're taking the bus from Dublin Airport to Belfast. Taking them back, and then we have a big scan at 2 at the hospital. One of our friends is a doctor there, so thankfully he can do it, and we also need a doctor's note. That's the other reason for flying in less than 2 weeks. For his birthday, his 35th, and our last little baby moon is 2 before we're locked down for a good while. Just finished my smoothie. I added dates to it. I thought 31 weeks, we need to start adding dates just slowly. Not every smoothie. I had them, so I put them in. Also, I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera. Oh yeah, of course it's gonna pick up on camera. Literally, this entire cheek is like throbbing. I believe it's a bug bite, as in a spider bite, because I noticed it yesterday. I'm like, that's such a weird spot to get a spot. I never would break out there, and it's like sore and it feels hot, and I think it's a spider bite, which is lovely to think about, right? Anyways, I'm gonna go have my coffee. Patty left me. I am making some food because I'm starving. Soft scrambled eggs. I feel like I've mastered the technique where it's not like a gross soft. They're like all cooked but still like fluffy, if you know what I mean. Butter in the pan, 2 full eggs, and then the whites of a 3rd egg. So, oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. Just ran to get my camera because I was charging it for you guys. A little bit of water to whisk it, making sure it's like bubbly whisked. And then I pour it in at like medium heat for like a couple seconds and then start pushing it in towards the center until it's mostly cooked, and then get under, flip it once, and it's perfect. Now I'm gonna add some avocado. I have half an avocado here. Although you guys can't see, I will show you. That's a good avocado. Grab some balsamic. I'm gonna finish it with some fresh dill. This is what it looks like. How yummy does that look? So good. This is like my ideal, well, I guess it's lunchtime now. What time is it? Oh goodness, 12:45. I was filming all morning, but oof. Back home from the appointment, Patty met me there. All is good. Placenta has moved. Measuring great. All good. I am now making a lasagna. Jane and Peter just came home, so we have them over for dinner, so they don't have to think about anything. It's a long flight, and I don't think they slept at all. I'm making this white veggie pasta I saw online, but of course my internet's working, so I took a screenshot of all the ingredients, and I'm just trying to go from there. So this could be a disaster, but hopefully it's okay. The current situation, we have zucchini, leek, broccoli, garlic, a little bit of butter, and oregano. So that is stewing. There's some spinach that's about to go in, and then I'm gonna make the bechamel sauce. I have lasagna, pasta. Hoping it turns out. Good morning, happy Wednesday. Today is a little bit of a prep day. I'm gonna go to the gym right now, and then we have a meeting right after, and then we have to get everything sorted for this weekend. There's a Pearl pop-up down in Banbridge. I'm not going to it because it's Olive's birthday party, so I just need to pack the car because I'm dropping off all the goods with Bethany tomorrow, because tomorrow's a big Belfast day for us. Thought if I can try and remember to film throughout the day. I was gonna do a little hair tutorial because I slept. I washed my hair last night, blow dried it, but then I put it in a bun and it's just not the right kind of textured vibe, so I was gonna fix it up today when I get back. Although I wanted to show you how my gym clothes are now all crop tops. This is like a, I think Freddie Ireland top, and it's not a crop top, but on me it is. But sure, cute. Embrace it. And then these leggings are like a flared crossover legging from H&M Move potentially. And they're really soft and not like not the most like holding in type of legging, but I think when you're pregnant you don't want that. You just want like comfort. So they're good for that, more loungewear vibes. So I'm off to the gym here. As promised, we're gonna try and fix this mane. It's not doing anything for me. So I have no plan of action here except for my straightener. So I'm taking the Day Agave Dry Heat and Hold Styling Mist. And I'm gonna put my hair up into 2 sections, I think, because I don't want this to look like I've done anything. I don't have any time to do anything really spectacular because I have a meeting in like 15 minutes. So I need this to be effortless. My hair is nice and clean. I washed it last night, blow dried it, but then put it in a low bun. And I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna spray this all over to protect my hair. It smells so good. A little, oh, tastes good too actually. Filmed what I did in the gym except for like 3 exercises because I don't bring like a tripod or anything with me to the gym. And there was like people around and I never want to like invade someone's privacy. So as many workouts as I could do, but I've posted a couple on my Instagram and I have gotten a good reaction, received a nice reaction. If you want to see that, let me know and I'll keep doing it. Okay, so what I feel like is the vibe is maybe different types of movement. Like, oh, I don't even know. Might go around, flip. There's no plan of action, like I mentioned in this. Mimicking a natural wave by having no pattern. I think that's the most natural thing you can do if you don't want your hair to look done. I'm also getting my extensions back in tomorrow, so I don't want this to look too curly or anything. Oh, of course this is gonna die. Honestly, like I'm happy with that. See how subtle a difference is to that? That just doesn't look done. I bet you some people are like, Elanna, that looks the same. It's probably more so the front area I'm really concentrating on because that was not doing it for me. I don't really care about the sides and back. I just need some movement in the front. So I'm going the back and forth motion and then the twist and unravel motion. Hopefully watching makes more sense than me talking because my ears keep going plugged and unplugged. Did anybody else have that as a pregnancy thing? Like, I can hear you and then I can't hear you. Okay, and then I'm literally running my fingers through it instantly so that there's no curl being formed. Put that behind and I'll do this one in 2 sections and doing the exact same chaotic method on the top. Genuinely like a 5 to 7 minute hairstyle. I love that. All right, I think that's a little bit better. I wanted some structure without looking like any structure, and I think 7 minutes of heat styling does just that. I have a meeting. I hope you enjoyed my most chaotic hair tutorial to date, but I'm happy with the outcome. Patty has one job for Olive's birthday tomorrow. Balloons.
She's 9, isn't she?
You would think so. 6 and, oh, she'll love that. Unicorns and princesses. Her favorite.
I feel like
You have to hide that until tomorrow morning.
it's underwhelming.
No, it's perfect. She'll love that. Those are the best balloons for kids. They love those ones.
There's 2.
Yeah, but they're her too.
Should have got 3.
She also has a pin and a tiara for tomorrow, so I think she'll be okay. Oh, you got a really big one. Maybe we'll put that on the gift. I have like a wearable one for school. You're 6'5", and it's literally the size of your chest. I'm just heading over to Nana and Papa's to go get the kids, and then we're celebrating with just the immediate family a little birthday dinner at Franco Manca. I have the balloons in the back here. I think Olive's gonna love them, so let's go get her. We are currently test driving the Tesla Y model, I believe it's called.
I don't know.
Do you love it?
Yeah!
You just love cars in general, don't you?
Yeah.
Where are we going right now?
Olive's birthday.
Her birthday dinner?
Yeah.
And is it a pizza place?
Yeah.
Oh, are you so excited?
Pizza!
Very simplistic and spacious, which is what we like. You like it?
I'm just gonna sit and watch some YouTube.
Guys, do not hate me, but I've lost my vlogging flow the last couple days. I think with Olive's birthday, and then this morning we just wanted it to be like a really nice morning for her, and it actually happens to be World Book Day at school. I'm out of breath because I'm running to the car to my next appointment. But she got to dress up as Asha from Wish, which is definitely not a book, but I don't care. There's a book now after the movie, and Oscar was Oscar the Grouch, obviously. Anyways, they're off to school. I came to Belfast and went to Monday's Child to make, you know, those viral like chain charm necklaces. Oh, I'm obsessed. If you're in Belfast, you need to go see Laura. She owns Monday's Child, and I have a discount code which I'll link below. You can use it if you want something welded, like she does welded jewelry and then the charm and then just jewelry in general. So definitely go check her out. I had the best experience like picking all these. Some of them have meaning, some of them are just fun. It gave me such a dopamine hit though, like so much joy. Love it. Anyways, now we're off to our scan, which I'll try and film, to have a 3D 4D scan. Patty's cousin's wife does them and she's wanting us to come down, so I'm really excited because we got one done with Olive at like 18 weeks, and now that I'm 31 I'm like, oh my gosh, this baby's like, you know, a little chubby baby. Maybe not super chubby yet. I hope they're chubby. I love chubby babies. I need to go because I'm already gonna be like 5 minutes late. Patty's gonna meet me there. Just so busy, so bear with me. I was invited to Window to the Womb, which is a diagnostic private ultrasound clinic specializing in scanning from 6 to 42 weeks gestation. I felt super comfortable and relaxed, and all the scans are carried out by fully qualified medical sonographers. We had this done with Olive at 18 weeks, and because I'm much further on with this pregnancy, the difference in clarity and picture seeing the baby is insane. I'll never get over it. Their newest services include gynecological ultrasound and blood testing to include early gender from 7 weeks and NIPT from 10 weeks. It really did make me super excited to meet this little one in just a few weeks. They recorded the heartbeat and we put it in 2 little bunnies for Olive and Oscar, so whenever you press it, they get to hear their baby sibling's heartbeat. She's a new woman. Allie just smashed that refit so quickly because I need to get back for Olive when she's done her home class, her little drama class. I want to be home, so we just literally refit all the extensions that I had. I just sent it to her like last week so she could re-tip the tape at the top, but it's such a good blend even with getting my hair done last week. I'm in our gorgeous bathroom too. Is there a birthday girl in there? Wait, you're not the birthday girl. What are you doing in here? Where's...
Not the birthday
You're not the birthday girl. Where's the birthday girl?
Oh, maybe that's the birthday girl.
There she is. Olive, how old are you today?
6.
And did you have the best birthday ever?
Yeah.
Why was it the best birthday ever?
Yes.
Because was it World Book Day? And what did you dress up as? Who'd you dress up?
Asha.
And what's that in that box that you're gonna do with Daddy?
A Lego.
Princess Lego?
Princess.
And you're very into, is that Lilo or Stitch?
Stitch.
Are you into Stitch at the moment? Good night. Oscar, are you sleeping in here tonight?
Mommy.
No. Okay. Oh, wow. She knows exactly where her bed is. And Olive, do you want to show everyone your special bunny? It's over here. You have Stitch from Nana and Papa, but Mommy had a scan today, and there's Stitch. What's so special about the bunny? Whose heartbeat is that? The baby's.
Stitch.
Stitch? Okay, I'm not sure how these are gonna show up, but I went to go get my scan, the 3D or 4D scan. Oh my goodness. Like, is that not just Oscar? Like, how crazy. And then obviously, this is like the 3D version, and then they have like a 4D one to like, you know, perfect it even more. So this one is that version. Isn't that crazy? Window to the Womb in Belfast, well, Lisburn, but so special. It definitely made it feel super real. Like in 2 months, they're gonna be here. Good morning, happy Friday. I'm just getting ready to go meet Sarah for coffee and a bite to eat. Just thought I'd show you my little today. Oh, I didn't sleep so great last night. Obviously that's evident. These are the extensions in their full glory. Always such a perfect blend. And like completely flat to your head because they're like micro tape-ins, like so tiny. Love them. Anyways, this is a pretty lavish jumper. I have it in 4 colors now. I bought my first one like 2 or 3 years ago, like a cream color. And I think they only had that color and potentially one other one with like a collection with an influencer. And I've worn it so much, always got compliments. And then I think they realized everyone liked that style of jumper that they brought it back permanently. And it's the best. I get it in a medium and it comes like oversized. So go down a size if you want it more fitted, but I feel like the fit like is an oversized fit. So just get your normal size, I guess. But this is the newest one and they actually sent me some things this time, and this being one of them, because I had bought the cream, the camel, and the gray, and so now I have navy from them, which is really lovely. And then for leggings, because it's Friday, these are the Target, like the everyday ones. I have the regular ones I already showed you, but then I also picked up like the flare or boot cut ones. I find with anything flare, I need a little bit of like a chunkier trainer just because my legs are short, and so I need like the length. And these are the New Balance 530s that I got off Vinted, but I do find they're like a little small fitting. I got my normal size, which is like a UK 6, US 8, and I feel like they're just a little snug. I don't know, does anyone else have that issue if they have these ones? So I might like resell them on Vinted and get a size up. Bump is bumping today. Feeling good. I'm checking later. Hey guys, happy Saturday. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's just one of those days. We have Olive's birthday party, hence the balloons in the back, party bags. Patty has taken her to Irish dance class, and then our party's right at 1, and I still need to get a couple things. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Probably not the best vlog because I totally forgot to bring my camera out. I was more focused filming the content on my phone. So I'm gonna try and repurpose the reels onto shorts. So anything like the necklace making, extensions, anything I missed, outfits that I've been posting, I'm gonna put it onto shorts. And that's probably a part of this week as well. Next week is definitely a prep week because we go to Dubai literally a week tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog next week. I think I'm gonna do a couple tutorials, have that sorted, and then I'll vlog while we're in Dubai and then the work trip in Italy, because I think you might be interested in that. So I'll see you in a couple weeks vlog wise, but stay tuned for some tutorials.